Fixing Messenger photo not showing. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix Messenger photo not showing. The process is simple. First, open the Messenger application on your phone and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Then check if your app is updated to the latest version by going to Play Store or App Store and tapping Update if it's available. Next, go to your phone settings, find the Messenger application and clear its cache to remove any temporary glitches. After that, open Messenger again and ensure that data server mode is turned off in the application setting, as it can prevent images from loading properly. If the issue persists, restart your phone to refresh all background services. Finally, if none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the Messenger application to make sure you have a clean and updated version installed. And that's all. That's how you will be able to restore Messenger photo not showing issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.